Okay, I have a video discussion again today. My video discussion is, what would you do if you were Truddy, Thatcher, or Soul in this moment?
I think I would just stay still, because they can't do anything.
Um,
They're strangled by the squid's tentacles, so I think they would do nothing.
I politely disagree with Hasnain because I would try, I would at least try to get out and cut like the squid's tentacles off, or one of them, so I could be free and help Soul and Shreddy, because and I bet they do in the end because they're the three main characters or three of the main characters. So I think they're gonna. So I think, well, if I were them, I would probably try to get out, and if I couldn't, then oh well.
I politely disagree with Mickey, and I agree with Mickey. I agree with the part when he said that they're the three main characters, so they're probably not gonna die. And I politely disagree with him, because they can't do anything. They're like getting choked and they're getting strangled by the chest. They can't use their arms. They can't cut out. They can't. If they move, it's just gonna make them suffer even more. So I think I would just stand still.
I politely disagree with Hasnain because if they well because if well actually I agree and don't agree, so anything else?
No.
Okay, thanks for watching, bye.